Making this video just to show what happened to the wheel in Denver and the weather. It melted the wheel. I'm hoping for a replacement because I've only used this luggage 2 times. Well, I'm sorry, a total of 3 times. I've gone to Mexico in February. I went to New York in June. But this was not anticipated, and because of it, it doesn't roll or work any longer. And this is the smallest one of the luggages, the carry-on size. So I would need another, but that wasn't anticipated. The other 3 wheels are fine, but almost wilted, and that one melted in the heat of Denver.
Show you what I'm talking about. Now, as they were putting it on the conveyor belt, the seam had started to bust here. And as you see, you can see the white stitching. And it came like that. All the way around, it was like that. I had to expand it so you could see it a little bit better. But anyway, the whole plastic piece, it's like rubber. And honestly, it's crap made. So yeah, it was a great suitcase. Loved it. Got to use it twice.
$1,000 reward for information leading to Mars' arrest. The ticket for it. One person has been in contact with Mars through a popular web-based instant messaging system. Agents subpoenaed the internet provider for details on the instant messaging account and received transcripts of their online conversations. Through the content and dialogue of the instant messaging communication, it was logical to believe that one of the participants was Aristotle Marr. The company provides agents with the address of the computer used.
Said her face fine, yeah, she fine, of course. She did talk much and I'm